how to create a cover page in Microsoft Word document. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Did you know that Microsoft Word provides you cover pages templates that you can work on? I'll show you how. Let's dive right in. Open up your Microsoft Word document and now you need to go to insert option in the ribbon bar, and there on the left hand side you'll see cover page. You can tap on it and then it will show you various templates of cover pages that you can choose from. So just scroll down and then choose the one of your choice. Tap on it, it will be inserted, and now you can just edit it according to your wish. So this is how it works. So if you don't like it, you can just go to cover page again and choose a different one. And you can edit according to your wish. So there you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.